is the Chrisley blend, but the company is called 8th, the number 8th, TH, and Roast. 8th and Roast. And you may be thinking, why coffee? I don't know. Let's look it up. Everything in here has a purpose and a story. Everything in here. I think it's last thing. Yeah, it is. It's a delicious combination of beans originating in the 3 specific regions of pulp natural coffee from Brazil, an organic washed coffee from Mexico, and the natural processed coffee from Guatemala, connecting the network of fair trade farmers. So this is all about fair trade from around the world. 8th and Roast has become an active part of global sustainability movement. Wherever possible, they partner directly with the producers to import straight from the source, bypassing middlemen. So this would be $15. Again, let me make sure, okay. You can go to 8thandroast.com and get this coffee. And I was going to say, it says whole bean roast, but this has already been ground down. I'm so glad, because I don't have a grinder. I used to, but I don't anymore. So I can't wait to taste that, because y'all know I love me some coffee. I'm sitting here drinking some right now. Can't wait. I usually do use the Keurig cups, but I also do like going back to my Gavalier percolator. Okay. Oh, this is beautiful. Wow. Oh, man. Okay. Let me just take this right out. There we go. It is a beautiful bag, a velvet makeup bag, and a pin. So I was going to say, does that pin come off? And I can see that it does. It sure does. Yeah, so you could take that off and wear it if you want to. That's really beautiful. I think I would too, because while this is pretty, this is going to be my purse. I would wear that pin on my lapel. Look at it, it's a little bee and it's got a little emerald head, y'all. Isn't that pretty? Y'all see that? Okay, so it's a velvet makeup bag and pin from SIXTON, SIXTON London, family owned and do good company. This autumn rust velvet bag, this really could be used as a clutch, y'all, for going out. Comes with an adorable handmade decorative pin. Oh, it's handmade. Okay. Leave the pin on the back or wear it on your clothes as a brooch. This velvet bag, or on a scarf or something, or a lapel. With fall cozy vibes, it's perfect for makeup or jewelry. SIXTON London is a husband and wife owned and operated company that has a passion for fashion and giving back. They donate 10% of all their profits of the insect pins to Bug Life, saving small things that run this planet like bees. So, yes. This is really, really pretty. And then inside, SIXTON London. And it's also cushioned. That's actually very hefty. Can y'all see? That's really big. So it's very usable. Love it. Gosh, I gotta decide what I'm gonna do with this. That is so pretty. No kidding, that could be a clutch for an evening. Especially if you leave the pin on. Love the pin. And it's handmade. I can see that it's handmade now. There's a little bit of hot glue residual, I see. Right there. You know how sometimes it leaves little pieces? But I love it. I really love it. That's going to be one of my favorite pieces of this whole thing. And I say that every single time I do a Chrisley box. Okay. Alright. Here's this. Been looking so forward to this because I've wanted a new one. I do have one, but I want one downstairs. The one I have is for my dressing area in the bathroom. And I've always wanted one downstairs, but this is Find essential oils, usage ideas, and more on Woolsies.com. So this is Woolsies. Okay. Remove cover, add water up to the line, add 4 to 5 drops of your favorite essential oil, and replace the cover. Press the button and breathe. So that's what it looks like. Let's get it out of the box and quit looking at the box, and let's look at the actual diffuser. Again, this is Woolsies, WOOLZIES. And it's called, you know, aromatherapy, like all of them are, because when you put essential oils in the air, it just, when people say, what do you mean therapy? Because it's just, it's therapeutic to smell something that nice. So here is the little charger cord. And here is the diffuser. I'm glad it wasn't that huge, because in the picture it looks kind of huge. And I was like, oh my God, where am I going to put that? That's not huge at all. I'll put it next to my face. It is beautiful. Look how it's sculpted, and it's almost like sandstone. Y'all, it's really, really nice. Hear that? And there's a little button that you press. So those of you who don't know, you just twist the cover and pull up. And see this right here. You put, it has a little line, and you put the water up to the line, and then you put some essential oils in. And then you put this back on, and the vapor comes out there. And this is just a cover. I love it. Love this. I've been wanting this so bad. I'm so glad I got one. I can't even tell you. I can't even tell you. So I'm going to get rid of that trash because I can tell you right now, I'm going to be using that right away. And then this is also a bet from Woolsey's. Yes. Harvest Party Gold Leaf Setting Sun, a thick cardigan. Looking for a cozy autumn evening with this trio of invigorating fragrant oils, you'll bring the nostalgia of Harvest Party into your home. Spiced cider, which has ginger, star anise, nutmeg, cardamom, cinnamon, orange, apple, cider, extracts, and clove. Oh my gosh, that's going to be my favorite. Pumpkin pie, which has cinnamon, clove, pumpkin extract, and nutmeg oils. That might be, I don't know. Honey apple has orange, lime, Roman chamomile, vanilla, Peru balsam, honey extract, and apple extract, and Taggart's essential oils. Y'all, and look how pretty. Look at the pretty colors. I'm so taking this downstairs and getting busy right away because I love it. I love it. And then you get a cord so that you can plug in, and it is a plug-in item. It's not a chargeable, so you need to put it somewhere where you can plug it in. That's the only thing. Easy. Easy peasy. Not a problem. We'll be able to do that. Thank you very much. Okay, what else? Sorry. Oh, I didn't read about that one. I'm sorry, y'all, because I do want to do a review of everything I show y'all because I do think these are really great items. So it's going to definitely be part 2 or part 3 that we'll have to get into because I think my favorite's yet to come. And these are all good things. Okay, take care of yourself, relieve stress, and dramatically change your ambiance with this beautiful aromatherapeutic diffuser. It uses ultrasonic technology to diffuse the essential oils while keeping the beautiful integrity, so safely and effectively infuses your space with relaxing scents. Bring calm into your home naturally. The owner of Woolsey's via Bostrom, B-O-S-T-R-O-M, has a passion for designing and creating safe, eco-friendly, recycled, and handcrafted products. They are a woman-owned company. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. I can't even tell you how much I love that one. I think I'm going to save the best for last. Because I think I know what it is. I've seen the picture, so I do know what it is. I can't wait. I'm a sucker for a coffee cup. Okay. So we're going to do that last. What do we have here? Oh, wow. Look at this, y'all. Isn't this fun? Now that is just the container. This is just a white fleece, cream white fleece. It doesn't have the black and white check. But that is very cute packaging. And that is exclusive Cozy with the Chrisleys blanket. Consider this exclusive Sherpa throw to be a warm hug from the Chrisleys for you. Measures 50 by 60. This cream color throw is the perfect one to cuddle up on a chill fall night. And it retails for $55. It doesn't say anything as far as is it... you know, who owns it or anything like that. So I think it's just one that they thought, you know, it's fall and we've got to have a blanket included. Of course, it can't be too huge, so it's 50 by 60, which that's actually, oh my gosh, that is so soft. Y'all. Smells good. I will sit and, oh, I know what smells good is that candle back there. This is my candle I bought the other day that I've already shown y'all. And it says, Bask in the Sunshine, and it has neroli, vetiver, black pepper, Brightland, olive oil, and it's vegan, paraben, and phthalate free. And that's a Brightland candle. So I really love it because I think it's the neroli smell I like, that kind of summer smell. So I did put that one on, but I need my fall smells. So we are going to be using our diffuser next. So this is just a wonderful, I feel like I should give this away because I have so many, but I don't know if other people will understand about the Chrisleys and be like, what is a Chrisley? What is it? I don't know. I may just have to keep it. I just may have to. Okay, y'all. So last but not least, let's see. Can't wait to see it. Hello, pumpkin. And you know what I love? It says it on the outside. A lot of times it says it on the inside, and I want people on the outside to see it. I love that it's got this kind of Coleman, you know, that kind of Coleman cookware for camping. Coleman cookware for camping. This that navy blue with the speckledy, but this is orange speckledy. Isn't that fun? Okay, so let's see. Hold on. Where is the? Okay, it says custom. Hello Pumpkin mug. Hello Pumpkin, don't you look cute with that custom mug? Fill your 14-ounce camper collection. What did I say? Ceramic mug with your favorite fall drink. We just know you will love the Chrisley Blend Roast from 8th and Roast, included in your fall collection, $20. So is this. So this is really them being nice. They always give you everything you need when they give you a gift, which I love that. So because they gave you some of the Chrisley collection coffee from 8th and Roast, which is to help with fair trade, and they get a lot of the money with the actual producers because they go direct to them instead of a middleman that would take that money from them. I know Chick-fil-A does that in the Thrive coffee brand that we have. Same thing. We go direct to them. We know them. We know the farmers. And have met them, so it's pretty cool. Anyway, but yes, Hello Pumpkin, and it's real ceramic, and I can't wait to make me some coffee and drink it out of this. So that's everything, y'all, and I hope you enjoyed this. I would encourage you to do the Chrisley box, so I will put the links to them below in all 3 videos.